Hello everyone, I'm Aisha from Harar Dev Center, first batch of coding student. Today I'll be showing you student management system project that was made by me, Aisha and Brikti. Hope you enjoy it. First of all, what is SMS or Student Management System? It's a simple software program that helps manage a student, teacher, and classroom. It has two main roles, admin and teacher. Admin has full control while teacher has limited access. What does it contain, or what is its features? Add, view, search, exit, and delete. Do the same for teacher and classroom. Teacher can view, search for a specific student, but cannot change or delete anything because they have limited access. So let's get into the code. Import OS, which is operation system module. It gives Python program the ability to interact with the computer operation system. And here this part we have .txt file, which this is the part where my project learn how to save and load data. Instead of losing the file every time I exit, it writes them into a .file. When I run the program again, it reads the same file back and restore everything. That make my SMS behave more like a real app. And here we have def, which is a function to define a function. A function is like a mini program inside your program. It's a block of code that does one specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, you just call the function. All of this is my load data function. And now here we have another function, which is the first thing that came after I here. So we have student management system, we have admin login, teacher login, and exit, which if I choose number 1, it will ask me the user and a password, which here is admin and 123. And then it will give me choice here, the admin menu: manage classroom, manage teacher, manage student, manage score, generate report, view statistics, ranking, and logout. If I write anything other than this 8 number, it will write for me invalid choice. So let's type in number 1 and add a classroom, which is grade 12. Now my classroom is added. I can either edit it, delete it, or just call out this list classroom, and it will show me the classroom number. Here, number 4. Here we have the list of the classroom. And again, if I want to edit it, I just press this one and edit it. Now we have management teachers part. Now let's add a teacher. Okay, let's make it valid. Then enter password. 12th grade, and yeah. teacher is added successfully. If you want to edit him or delete, let's just see in a form of list. Here, name Khalid, classroom number 12. Others, we have manage student part, which I can add students, view them, search them, edit them, delete them. So first off, we don't have any student to view, so let's first add the student ID. Let's just type in 4, enter name Aisha, age 18, classroom 12. Here I have been added. Here, student added. Now I can either view it, search it, edit it, and delete it. Here, name Aisha, age 18, classroom 12. Let's make the score 19 and see. Here, score saved milestone. And here we have the ranking, pass and failed one. So you can see here that I have different functions in this student management system, and I can't really show you all of it, sorry, but yeah. Now let's just see the .text one that I told you before, that it saved it in a form of .text file. Here we have 12, which is the classroom I saved before. And here there is a teacher one, ID for name Aisha, age 12, grade 12, and the score is bio 19, and the teacher one is Khalid, pass and 12, the password, and the user and the password minus no. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you are not already. And if you like my video, please make sure you comment Aisha won this. Okay, bye.